Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm showing you how to crochet one of the prettiest and most versatile stitches out there, the shell stitch. Whether you're making a baby blanket, scarf, or decorative border, this stitch adds a lovely wave-like texture. For this tutorial, you'll need worsted weight yarn, a 5mm crochet hook, scissors, a yarn needle for weaving in ends. You can use any yarn you like, just be sure to match the hook size. Start by making a foundation chain in a multiple of 6 plus 1. I'll chain 19 as an example. That's 18 plus 1. Skip the first chain and make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Now, skip 2 chains and make 5 double crochets in the next chain. Yarn over. Insert your hook into the 3rd chain. Work 5 double crochet. One, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry when the stitch you go into becomes too loose. When we continue, everything will come together. And the last one. That's your shell. Then skip 2 more chains and make a single crochet. Repeat this across. Skip 2 chains and work 5 double crochet into the 3rd one. Keep a consistent tension. Loose shells can look sloppy, tight shells curl. Make a single crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. We have our 2nd shell done. Let's make the next one. The pattern is the same. Skip 2 chains and work 5 double crochet into the 3rd chain. Then again, skip 2 and make single crochet. You can stop here if you are working edges and want to get a beautiful ending of your project. Round 2. Chain 3 and turn your work around. Now, in the next stitch, we work to double crochet. We work the same pattern, skip 2 stitches, single crochet, slip 2 stitches, 5 double crochet. Skip 2 and work single crochet. Now we skip 2 and work the shell right above the single crochet from the previous row. Chain 5 double crochet. Skip 2 and make single crochet. Continue with skip 2 and 5 double crochet. Always place your 5 double crochets into the center stitch of the previous sheet, and the single crochet right in the middle of the shell. At the end of the row, we will work 3 double crochet. And we finish the second round of shells. Row 3. From this round we are repeating the same pattern until we reach the desired length. Let's practice more stitches together. Chain 1 and turn around. Your masterpiece. Then work a single crochet into the first stitch. We skip 2 and make 5 double crochet into the third chain. Then skip 2 and single crochet, and so on. Continue this pattern. If your edges are wavy, double check your stitch count. Once you get the rhythm, this stitch is super relaxing and creates a beautiful, lacy texture. You can even change colors every few rows for a striped look. Thanks for crocheting with me today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Comment below if you have questions or requests. Happy stitching!